Hi, today I'm for a VIVO Y22s and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and tap to network and internet section. Just to activate or turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click on the swatter. After that, click to Wi-Fi section, and after that you'll see here the list with all of the available networks. Now we're just connected to one from the networks. I'll show you how to connect to another one. So just you should select the network and here enter the password. To see it, if you want just to make some mistakes, click to that checkbox. I'll enter it out of screen. So after that we should just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network and this Wi-Fi password is saved. So after that you can see here the saved networks list, and if you wanna just switch between them you should just tap on the network and it will switch automatically. So just also get one more way how we can do that. We should open the notification panel shortcuts, and then here you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to turn it on or turn it off, you should click to this icon, and to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.